So I was thinking, I thought it might be nice if I shared a little bit of Australian culture with you. Every New Year's Eve in Sydney, they have a huge fireworks display. I mean, huge. It's considered at least one of the best in the world, usually the best in the world. And I thought it might be nice if we watched it together. What do you say? Yeah? Okay. Fair warning, it's a little bit loud, but we can just turn it down and watch it together. Okay? Alright. I've got it all here. Let's watch it, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. That's, that's very bright and kind of loud, but it's okay, because we want it. We're initiating this. Oh, wow. That's really pretty. I love the purples and pinks and the bright colors. That's the Sydney Harbour Bridge, where all the fireworks are attached. Although I think they've got some on boats in the harbour as well. Wow. Oh, wow. I don't really like those big pom-pom kind of ones as much. I like the other kind of shapes more. But you know what? These are pretty cool. It's like a whole bunch of cannons or something all on the bridge. Wow, look at all those lights. Yeah, you can see some in the harbour. There's little, I don't know, tugboats or something that have a bunch of fireworks on them. That's an interesting musical choice, and an abrupt change. It's like reggae hip-hop kind of thing. Okay, sure, whatever. I feel like they could have maybe spent a little less money on the fireworks and a little more on the music, but okay. Still, lots of pretty lights. It's kind of a weird smoky fog over things. Oh, okay. Another very abrupt musical transition. But very pretty fireworks. Oh, and lights on the Harbour Bridge as well. Kind of looks like Kit from Knight Rider. But very pretty. I've never been to the Sydney fireworks myself. I don't really like crowds that much, but I like looking at it in a video. It's again sort of an odd musical transition, but not too bad. Quite 80s. Oh, those the blue like centers of those spheres, little explosions. They're pretty cool. Ooh, purple bridge and gold. I quite like that actually. Oh, and like the green sky. It's very sort of post-apocalyptic. Hey, there's the Sydney Opera House. I know that. Some of the famous Australian landmarks. Oh, big firework explosions. Lots of smoke there as well. Ooh. That was a big one, yeah. Yeah, I like the sort of streams of light that come up. That's pretty cool. Ooh, lots of green. Oh, they're really starting to get into it now. Oh, look at all the orange and red. It's very pretty. A very evil-looking bridge. Oh, there's like fans of sparks. I like that. Lots of boats on the water as well. Oh, okay, that was a very abrupt musical transition, but sure. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Those big sparkly ones don't thrill me as much. Actually, you know what? There's some like more disc-shaped ones. They're kind of cool. These are a bit more elaborate now. I like this a bit more actually. Sparkles kind of hovering around in the air for a little while. Oh, big spotlights as well. Oh, wow. This always makes me think of like a video game or something. Like cannons are shooting out lots and lots of bullets. Spotlights kind of look like they're dancing around on the bridge, calling out for Batman. Yeah, this is pretty. This is nice. And not too loud. Oh, that is a very bright one. Oh, lots of green. Okay. Oh my, yeah. All right, they're really getting into it now. Those are cool. I like the purple explosions. And then a sudden shift in the mood. Lots of smoke. Oh, some slowly raining down sparkles. A more sort of subdued pace. Okay. I feel like it's building up to something. Oh, rainbow colors. Very LGBTQA friendly. I like it. That's really pretty. Yeah, wow. All the colors of the rainbow. Oh, that is very bright. Wow. A beautiful, just golden aura. And now there's like sparkles raining down. Again, I really feel like the musical transitions are lacking here, but still beautiful. Wow, look at them lighting up the sky. It's midnight, but kind of looks like it's daytime. And that green haze settles over the sky, very post-apocalyptic. Now there's lots of sort of pinks and reds. It's very pretty. I like that. Yeah. God, there's so much smoke all around the bridge. Wow. Oh. Now there's like lots of small explosions. Some more green. I like that. That's nice. Oh, kind of like an orange haze. That's cool. Wow. I like all the purple. God, that looks really good right around the bridge. All that purple and gold. Oh, they seem to be like a different kind. It's like a longer, slower kind of cloud of sparkles. Ooh, look at these ones. Oh wow, that's really pretty. Oh, it's like fire in the sky. Wow. And from the boats as well. That is really, really pretty. That musical transition was better, but still kind of abrupt. Oh, big blue ones. Oh, and ones from the water as well. There's a lot of graphical glitching going on. I like the little ones from the water though, that's cool. Oh, lots of, fairly conventional sparkles, but nice. Oh, big big red explosions. It's really cool to see how it all like reflects off the water and the sky. Wow. Ooh, there's like cool ring formation ones. Pretty rad. It's like a lot of magical spells all in the sky at once. Wow. Yeah, I told you, they go all out. They really... Oh, that's a lot of money. It's a lot of money and a lot of chemicals. But I guess a lot of jobs as well. It's a big industry. Ooh. Big rainbow explosions. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Look at all that. Oh, there's big like multi-shot cannons. And the bridge is all lighting up. Ooh. I like the purple lights. Purple lights are my favorite. That's really cool. Oh, wow. That is a lot. That is a lot of sparkles. Just raining from the bridge. Well, not actually raining. I think that'll come up later on. Oh, actually, it's right now. Yeah, this is like my favorite part of the Sydney fireworks is the sparkle showers just falling down from the bridge. It's so pretty. Just this like waterfall of light. Yeah. That's really gorgeous, huh? Another awkward musical transition, but still very gorgeous. Ooh, lots of red sparkles. I love that shower of sparkles from the bridge, though. That's the coolest. Ooh, wow. Yeah, look at all of that. God, they just go to so much effort every year. It's crazy. Oh, wow. It just like launched into a boss fight or something. Oh, wow. That is a huge sparkle, like lion's mane or something. Oh, now it's like shooting projectiles out sideways. Wow. Yeah, they are really going all for it, huh? Wow. And the crowd goes wild. Wow, that was really great, right? That was really intense. That was really nice. Thanks for watching that with me. It was nice to share that with you. Yeah, that's a proud Australian tradition to have a really, really extravagant fireworks display. I thought that would be nice to watch. I'm glad you liked it. I did too. How about you show me something that you like? Anything at all. Okay? Great.